Okay, we have a new budget smartphone in the house today. We have the Blackview A55 Pro. Yes, you heard right. Blackview A55 Pro. You may have heard of it or probably you haven't. Very affordable and also compactable. This phone sports a 4 gigs of RAM and guess what? You can increase the RAM up to 7 gigs by memory expansion. What? Yes, and also a 64 gigs of internal storage. You have a budget processor here, MediaTek Helio P22, and a 4780 mAh battery capacity, and it costs only $168, approximately 70,000 in Naira. I'm going to tell you more after unboxing this device. Inside the box, you are greeted with the smartphone. Next, you get a TPU case that feels quite different from others. And then you have the phone's manual, a micro USB cable, and then the 10 watts charger. Nothing else in the box, no earphones, no SIM ejector pin. You get exactly all you need to get started. For the design, seeing this one for the first time, it looks like it comes from the Tecno Spark 8 series. You have the rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, the 3 camera lenses with the LED flashlight, and has a lightweight of 196 grams. This phone is completely plastic built, the rear and the frames, which I think is a standard in 2022. You also have strip lines that makes up for a comfortable grip. And holding the smartphone, it gives you a premium feel. This is the cobalt blue color, and you also have it in obsidian black. Okay, moving on to the external features. You have the power button and the volume buttons on the right side. Nothing on the left side. On top of the device, you get a 3.5mm headphone jack. And below you have the charging port and the microphone. Okay, the speaker grill is at the back of the phone, with only the Brave signature. You don't eject to insert your SIMs in this one. Rather, you easily pull out the back of the phone to get your SIM slot. You have a dual nano SIM slot and the memory card slot too, and both SIM supports the 4G connectivity. Moving on to the front, it sports a 6.53-inch water drop notch display. It's a 720p resolution, but it has very good color reproduction. It is an HD Plus display and of course an IPS panel. It has good viewing angles and also with good details coming from a budget perspective. And also the response scrolling through apps is also very flexible. You have the Duke OS 2.1 user interface that makes up for a smooth rendering. For the performance, you have the MediaTek Helio P22 system on chip. A 4 gigs of RAM is what the A55 Pro sports, and a 64 gigs of internal storage. But with the memory expansion, you can increase the RAM size from 1 to 3 gigs so you can play more and also experience more. But because of the onboard processor here and the PowerVR GA320 graphic chip, you may not be able to enjoy some of the most demanding smartphone games, except on low settings. But you will completely enjoy 3D gaming so well, thanks to the Copilot 4.0 technology here that matches the performance. You have the Android version 11 here, and the Duke OS 2.1 user interface that supports all-in-one controls, such as trash cleaning, battery management, and more. Multitasking is smooth and also efficient on this smartphone. The battery is a 4870 mAh battery life that will last through the whole day if properly managed, and it takes an hour to charge this device from 0 to 100%. For the fingerprint unlock, the performance is okay, although some may prefer a rear-mounted fingerprint. The responsiveness is okay and it is fast. Coming to the camera performance, it is a 13 megapixel camera lens, even though you're seeing other 2 lenses and the picture quality is good. On a daylight condition, you can easily spot every details in its images. The color reproduction is okay, but not the best on a budget. These pictures are very okay for social media posting and also to capture memories. So what you're looking at is a video sample from the 13 megapixel camera lens of the Blackview A55 Pro. It is equipped with an autofocus system and has good colors, but no stabilization. You can shoot at 1080p at 30 frames, and this is what you get. Okay guys, so this is what you get shooting a video with the front-facing camera of the Blackview A55 Pro. It is an 8 megapixel front-facing camera lens, and this is what it offers. So guys, what do you think of the sound and the picture quality coming out from this device? I'm shooting at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Do let me know what you think in the comments below. This phone offers a very good budget experience, especially for the price. And the features you're getting makes up for a very good backup phone, or even a day-to-day smartphone. Although not considered a gaming phone, but it doesn't lag behind. The Android version 11 here is upgradable, and the battery doesn't drain out fast. The only downside here should be the camera, which shouldn't be a key buying point. You can expand the memory and enjoy a wide display too, but overall performance is okay. So guys, in conclusion, I think this smartphone will make a very good backup device, But if you think differently, please share your thoughts with me in the comments. And if it's your first time here, thanks for subscribing and also watching this video. I will see you in the next one, guys. Kelechi Oka signing out.